We would like to tell you about a new technology that we have been developing for some time in the R&D department of our company, located on the premises of the University of Warsaw. It is an innovative method of fabricating amorphous carbon, also known as glassy carbon. Previous manufacturing techniques only allowed for the deposition of very thin layers and coatings of this material. Thanks to a technological breakthrough, we can now selectively fabricate pathways for this material. Glassy carbon shares chemical and mechanical properties similar to diamond, but unlike diamond, it conducts electricity. Therefore, it is well suited for various types of electrodes, especially those operating in challenging conditions, such as electrodes and electrolyzers or EDM electrodes. But that's not all. This material is biocompatible and exhibits semiconductor properties. As a result, the development of printed electronics, including implantable electronics, will be possible. It is noteworthy that our technology has received external validation through its participation in the 3W initiative organized by Polish National Development Bank. We invite you to follow us on this exciting journey.